So, Frame Vlog, what's up? Episode Who Gives a Sh**. And thought I'd get a time lapse for you guys standing some trusses because she's a beauty day. Real sunny. So let's get it. Oh yeah, it's just a little one. Easy money. Yeah, I got hands on it. Yeah. I'm real close. Yeah. I'm good. Okay, hold that. Beautiful. Right on the mark. Righteous! So that's it. We're rolling up for the day. Got the trusses stood. Those boys pre-built that end section on the ground. Made it pretty nice and flew in pretty good. It's always quicker to prefab when you can, even if you don't want to believe that, because you're scared, like me. Anyways, we're gonna have to just catch you on the next one. So, have a good night.